Sorry.
Woman, I just want careful. She's shy. Yes.
For the camera, video, I think it's just photos. You can excuse us. Focus. It's okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Maybe I should start by expressing profound gratitude to His Excellency the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and all the people that God has used to make him take this decision. In the last 8 years, Customs has gone through a period of transition. Some progress has been made. We made remarkable progress in e-customs. We made a lot of breakthrough in capacity building, but then customs can still live to its full potentials, when we bring in some kind of innovations to drive customs operations. So these are the kind of things we'll be looking forward to in the years ahead. And I've gotten the assurance of the President through the Vice President who just did this ceremony. Well, the expectations that we have is that we are going to be professional in our approach. There are a number of partners, stakeholders that we're going to be working with. It's a very onerous task for the customs, but we believe that we will be working alongside other stakeholders, other partners that we have identified who yearn to work with us, who felt that they've not been given enough say in customs matters, customs operations. So we intend to come up with a number of innovations that would help to carry along those stakeholders, those partners. We're going to leverage technology. We're going to try and use those innovative technologies to break new grounds in customs operations.